Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the best dual-action car polishers in 2024. Whether you're a professional detailer or a DE enthusiast, having the right polishing tool can make a world of difference in achieving that perfect finish. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 5, a 220V 110V dual action car polisher DA car polishing machine. Electric random orbit adjustable speed waxer buffer machine is a power tool used to polish and wax cars. It has a dual action polishing head that spins and oscillates in a circular motion, which helps to remove scratches, swirls, and other imperfections from the paint. The machine has an adjustable speed control, so you can choose the right speed for the job at hand. It also comes with a variety of pads and bonnets for different polishing tasks. Dual-action car polishers are generally considered to be safer and easier to use than rotary polishers, making them a good choice for beginners and hobbyists. They are also more versatile, as they can be used for both polishing and waxing. Here are some of the benefits of using a 220V 110V dual-action car polisher DA car polishing machine. Electric random orbit adjustable speed waxer buffer machine removes scratches, swirls, and other imperfections from the paint, restores the car's original shine and luster, protects the paint from the elements, makes the car easier to clean and maintain, is relatively safe and easy to use even for beginners. If you are looking for a way to improve the appearance of your car, a dual-action car polisher is a great investment. Number 4, the car polisher cordless buffer polisher kit with 2 PCS 12V 2.0 6 variable speed, 2000 to 4500 OPM, 6 inches polisher for car detailing, is a versatile and powerful tool that can be used for a variety of car detailing tasks, including waxing, polishing, removing scratches and swirls, restoring a deep shine to your paint. The kit includes everything you need to get started, including a cordless polisher with 2 PCS 12V 2.0 batteries, a charger, 6 variable speed settings, a 6-inch backing plate, a variety of polishing pads. The polisher is easy to use and has a comfortable grip. The variable speed settings allow you to adjust the speed to match the task at hand. The polisher is also cordless, so you don't have to worry about dealing with a cord getting in the way. To use the polisher, simply attach the desired polishing pad to the backing plate and apply a small amount of polish to the pad. Then turn on the polisher and start buffing the paint in a circular motion. Be sure to apply light pressure and avoid overbuffing. Once you have finished buffing, wipe away any excess polish with a clean microfiber cloth. You will be amazed at the difference a car polisher can make in the appearance of your car's paint. Here are some additional tips for using a car polisher. Always start with a clean and dry car. Apply a small amount of polish to the pad and work in a circular motion. Use light pressure and avoid overbuffing. Wipe away any excess polish with a clean microfiber cloth. Be sure to wear safety glasses and gloves when using a car polisher. With proper care and maintenance, your car polisher will last for many years to come. Number 3, the Bitoka cordless car polisher 12V wireless DA car polishing machine. Brushless dual-action buffer-free 2 PCS 2.0 lithium battery is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, including polishing and waxing cars, removing swirls, scratches, defects, stains, and flaws from painted vehicles, cleaning sinks and bathtubs, sanding wood, polishing furniture, massaging muscles. It is a cordless polisher, which means that it is powered by a battery and does not require an electrical cord. This makes it easy to use and maneuver, even in tight spaces. The polisher has a variable speed control, so you can adjust the speed to match the task at hand. It also has a brushless motor, which is more efficient and durable than a traditional motor. The polisher comes with two 2.0 lithium batteries, which provide a long runtime. It also comes with a variety of accessories, including a carrying case, backing plates, and polishing pads. Overall, the Bitoka cordless car polisher is a well-designed and versatile tool that is perfect for both beginners and experienced detailers. It is easy to use and produces professional results. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Bitoka cordless car polisher. Pros: cordless. making it easy to use and maneuver variable speed control for different tasks. Brushless motor for efficiency and durability to 2.0 Ah lithium batteries for a long runtime. Variety of accessories included. Cons. Some users have reported that the batteries do not last as long as advertised. The polisher can be heavy to hold for long periods of time. Overall, the Batoka cordless car polisher is a good value for the money. It is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, and it produces professional results. Number 2. The 6000 RPM cordless mini polisher 6 gears car polishing machine. 12V electric cars. Polish machines adjustment speeds power tool is a versatile and powerful tool that can be used for a variety of polishing tasks, including car polishing, polishing metal surfaces, polishing wood surfaces, polishing furniture, polishing leather, polishing other materials. The polisher has a 6000 RPM motor and 6 speed settings, so you can choose the right speed for the job at hand. It also has a random orbit action, which helps to create a smooth and even finish. The polisher is cordless, so it is easy to use and maneuver. It also comes with a variety of accessories, including polishing pads, a carrying case, and a charger. Overall, the 6000 RPM cordless mini polisher 6 gears car polishing machine 12V electric cars Polish machines adjustment speeds power tool is a well-made and versatile tool that is perfect for a variety of polishing tasks. Here are some of the key features of the polisher. 6000 RPM motor, 6 speed settings, random orbit action, cordless, variety of accessories included. If you are looking for a powerful and versatile. Number 1. The Vosai 12V cordless car polisher is a dual-action polisher that is powered by a 12V lithium-ion battery. It has 6 speed adjustments, allowing you to choose the right speed for the job. It comes with 2 polishing bonnets and a waxing sponge, as well as a carrying case. The Vosai 12V cordless car polisher is a good choice for beginners and experienced detailers alike. It is easy to use and produces good results. It is also relatively lightweight and portable, making it easy to use on different cars and in different locations. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Vosai 12V cordless car polisher. Pros: lightweight and portable, easy to use, produces good results, affordable price, comes with a variety of accessories. Cons: battery life could be better, not as powerful as some corded polishers, may not be able to remove deep scratches or swirls. Overall, the Vosai 12V cordless car polisher is a good value for the money. It is a good choice for beginners and experienced detailers alike who are looking for an affordable and easy-to-use polisher. Here are some tips for using the Vosai 12V cordless car polisher. Start with the lowest speed setting and gradually increase the speed as needed. Use a light pressure and move the polisher in a circular motion. Be careful not to overheat the paint. Apply a small amount of polishing compound or wax to the bonnet or sponge before each section of the car. Wipe away any excess polishing compound or wax with a clean microfiber cloth. With proper use, the Vosai 12V cordless car polisher can help you to keep your car's paint looking its best.